Hello everyone, it's me Yasser. Here I'm going to guide you to learn how to program a PLC Siemens S7. I will guide you to understand what's the differences between every kind of block. This is an existing program. That program consists of configuration for hardware and software. In the software we have several kinds of blocks. We have some blocks called OBs, like this one OB up to OB1 up to OB122, and we have some FBs, this FB, and we have something called FC function, like these ones, and we have as well some DBs, and we can use something called VAT, which is a variable table, and we have SFP. So all of these are the software configuration, and we will be exposed as well for hardware configuration. The hardware configuration is accessed from here. This is hardware. Double click here, it'll open the hardware configuration. Here we are using CPU 414. In the local panel it has some IOs, some digital inputs, 3 digital inputs, 2 digital output, 1 analog output, and 1 digital input. And we have some kind of network for remote IOs. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 remote IOs. If we having a look on the first IO, it does have 1, 2, 3, 4 digital input, 3 digital output, and 1 analog input. The second one here had 3 digital output, 2 analog input, 1 analog output, and 1 digital input, and so on. So we'll see how to configure each of these remote IOs. We will also know how to configure the CPU. If we go here, we will find the settings and properties for CPU 414. So it gives us all the information we need to use and to set up our CPU. So we'll go through all of this and understand how the setups are, and then eventually I will guide you to do some simple programming using these types of blocks. So we'll know first what the difference is between each and how to run the program, and then we will give you some examples, like some control loops. This is a simple control loop. This is a level control loop. It consists of tank, level transmitter, level controller, which is LIC, and then we have control device, which is a control valve, and we have some kind of pump. So we will write the code, function blocks, device blocks, and device code for all of these. So I believe that you're gonna be know everything of this and will be expert for doing all of these kind of coding. Thank you.